sing it. Hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mom, we're gonna be alright.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So I'm going to be doing a different type of video for me. I am vlogging. So I came home yesterday from my mom's house, and I decided that since hopefully I'm gonna get some stuff to do this week, that I would just vlog it. And I kind of thought you guys would enjoy it. I asked in my 2 or 3 videos ago if you guys would want like a weekly vlog, and I had a couple yeses, so here I am. I am about to film, and then I'm gonna shower and wash off all my makeup and then redo my makeup and get ready for the day, because I do have plans today. Me and my best friend are gonna go get some Starbucks and like hang out, go take some pictures, I think. So I'm just gonna do like my filming makeup, then I'm gonna shower and do like a natural glowy look and put on like a kind of cute outfit. And then I don't know if I'm doing anything tonight, but it's only 11 o'clock right now and she's not coming till like 3:30, so that's why I decided to film now. Yeah, so I will just talk to you guys when I'm done filming and stuff like that. Yeah, I hope you guys are excited for this weekly vlog. It's probably gonna be kind of long because I tend to vlog a lot, but yeah, I love you all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this weekly vlog. I'm so weird. Love you. Okie dokie. So I just got done filming. This is kind of what it looks like. This video, like this vlog, will be up after this video, but I like it. I think it's cute. Is she cute? I found my new favorite lashes, that's for sure. So now I need to shower, eat something, because it's now 12 o'clock and I've not eaten yet today. But yeah, I quickly want to show you guys these 2 bracelets I have right here. Not the top 2, but the bottom 2. They're from Primavera, I think is the brand. And my solid blue one is for anxiety awareness, and my other one is Alice in Wonderland. And I just got these in the mail yesterday. And I just want to tell you guys that you should go order off of their website, because they have a lot of charity ones. Like I got the anxiety awareness one, and it gives 10% of the profits to an anxiety like awareness association. But I have anxiety really bad, so I think that it's like a really cool thing, and I'm really happy that I got it, because it makes me feel better. There's a depression one, there is breast cancer, there's leukemia, there is Save the Ocean, Save the Baby Sea Turtles. There are tons of different ones, and no, this isn't sponsored. No, they did not send these to me. My sister paid for them. But I just think that they're a really good cause, and they're super inexpensive. They're like $6 a bracelet. So I really recommend you guys get some. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower and stuff like that, and then I'll probably update you guys in a couple of hours or something. I don't really know. Okay, so this is Callie.
Hi guys.
She is a hot little motherfucker, and we got Starbucks.
Basic white girls coming at you.
Exactly. We were gonna get pictures taken, but it's gonna fucking rain. So instead, we're gonna go thrifting, because why not? And then we're gonna go to Walmart, because makeup. And I need hangers. Don't let me forget about those. I need hangers. And that's pretty much it. I know I look like trash. It's the eyeliner. There was, oh my god, there was this really hot guy in there.
There was like a couple.
There's like 4 hot guys in there. And we were drooling. Not literally, but
I was.
She might have. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna turn the radio all the way up and try not to get a ticket for it. And then probably will vlog at Goodwill, maybe. I don't know.
Probably not, because we'll forget.
Probably. But yeah, update.
Bye.
Morning, babes. It is now Wednesday, and I have my parade soon. I'm literally about to leave. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Last night after me and Callie vlogged, I went and got ice cream and went and hung out for a while. And then I came home and took a shower, went to bed. Now we're here. I'm just wearing some black shorts and this blue thingy, my sash, my crown. Happy Independence Day. I'm going to the lake today and tomorrow. I was gonna go to a baseball game tomorrow, but it seems like that's probably not gonna happen. But yeah, that's pretty much all. I will update you guys whenever. I don't know if that'll be today, tomorrow, or when. But yeah, I love you, and I'll update you guys later.
I'm gonna crash into you.
Hey guys, it's now Friday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday, and I vlogged a tiny bit on Wednesday. I'm a little bit busy, but on Wednesday, I just had my parade, and then we went to the lake. I hung out with Callie, just went kayaking, and there were fireworks. And then yesterday, me, my sister, and Callie went shopping, and then afterwards we went to the lake for a while, and then when we came home, I went to a baseball game, and then went out to eat, and just stuff like that. Today I haven't done anything really but like some stuff around the house. I just got done tanning, and then I'm gonna reorganize all my clothes right now, so like try and make room for everything, because I'm really running out of room for like t-shirts and stuff. But yeah, so I just quickly wanted to show you guys the few things that I bought when I went thrifting on Tuesday. My sister's wearing one of my shirts, but it's a gray Miami University shirt. It's like a softball one. It's Champion. It's super cute, and I got it for $4. But I'm just going to show you the 3 other things I got. And then I don't know how much more I'm going to vlog. I know I'm like slacking, but your girl's going to show you that stuff. And then I'm going to organize my clothes, paint my nails, and go 4-wheeling. And tomorrow I might go to another baseball game and then hang out with someone afterwards. I'm not really sure yet. I'll try and keep you updated, but yeah, that's pretty much everything so far. And I know I look like a hot mess, but I didn't think I needed to try today, so I didn't. So yeah. Okay, so I got this orange Nike shirt. I'm pretty sure it's an extra large. It was just $4, and I think it's super cute. I'll like tie it or something like that. And then I got this Miami Cavs, I think, shirt. Once again, it was like an extra large men's section, $4. And then I got this like army jacket thing, and this was also $4, and I thought it'd be super cute with like, honestly, that Miami shirt would look really cute under that if I tied the Miami shirt. But yeah, it's just like super cute. And then I got a gray shirt that I told you guys about earlier, and that is everything. Okay.
Say,